Here is an LT1 harness. Just want to show you the basics on it. This connection right here contains water temp, displacement on demand, and oil pressure. So those we plug underneath the throttle body. Of course, water temp to your water pump. I made it a little longer so you can route it along your Holly drive. Your Holly drive comes with its own alternator, and it's a single wire control. So I have that single wire here. It comes with its own connector with a resistor in it. So that you'll connect these two together. I left some extra loom for you to cover it. Now connect the alternator up here. Mass airflow sensor connector right here. Your wiring for your coils, you'll just plug it in order right here. Go to the other side, same thing. There's your map sensor. Here's your ECU connection. Looks like you should have plenty of length to put it where you need to in your first gen Camaro. I have your harness converted to a 6L80. Get your ECU programmed. There's that set up, and what's cool, the transmission is selectable. You can remove this if anything happened damage wise, or if you decide to change to an 8-speed or 10-speed down the road. This is just an extra interface connector. This is for low pressure fuel sensor, flex fuel. Right here, this will go to the inside of the vehicle. You'll hook your starter solenoid wire to this, and 12 volts, which will make your starter crank. Everything's labeled here. This goes to your starter area. I'll label these in a second. These are 2 grounds. Get your O2 sensors. As you requested, your interior harness. You got your Dakota BIM module. It's fully wired in. So it's going to get CAN bus. And then this plugs back into your main electronic unit for your gauges. Basically, this receives a digital signal and your ground and power. So the main unit for your gauges will actually supply power and ground to it. And this is supplying the CAN bus from the Gen 5. Also, you want the muscle car module. So here's the interface with this. Once you purchase this later, you'll plug this right into the muscle car module interface. You'll be good to go. Here's your OBD2 connector. Here's your pedal connector. Back here we got everything labeled. Passenger fuel, driver's fuel. This harness is fully tested. I had it running Thanksgiving Day. So no issues there, except for 17 and newer. So I went ahead and pulled the intake off the motor and put a 17 sensor on it and a driver's side fuel injection harness as well to make it all match. But really, wiring wise, you won't really see anything. You might see a little bit of the throttle body there, a little bit of the MAF. That is it. So let me throw this up there. So really, your engine should look just like this in your Camaro. Alright, well, I hope you're happy with this, and thanks for watching.